Hi, this is Pearl and welcome to my channel. We're at the end, folks. This is week 52 of my 2019 Project Life album. I am using the Studio Calico Documenter kit, the Greenwich kit. And you see here I've printed out my photos and then I'm putting them in chronological order, or semi-chronological order I should say. And I am looking through the journaling cards to see what journal cards I want to use. I moved the photos around and put 4x6 journaling cards in. Now I am looking through the 3x4 cards and putting them in the holes. So I'm going to start on the left hand side of my layout here. I am going to first use some of the date stamps, and I'm going to use the Stays on Ink. Here I'm using a Stabilo dark gray to journal, and I wrote, my soul sister Nancy Doan was in San Diego for the holidays, so we went to lunch, just the two of us. It was so good to talk openly with her and everything and get her advice. It's always so good. I miss having her near. Now she and I met while we were playing softball. We were both filling in for the Capital One softball team, and we've been really good friends ever since, and I love her so much. So I was glad to have lunch with her. Usually when she comes down, there's a group of ladies that gets together for sushi, so it was a treat just to have her by myself. So I put that down, and now I'm going to use the Stays on Black, and I like to date stamp every single picture and journaling card that I write on. And so I'm going to go ahead and start date stamping, and I use the VersaFine Black Onyx to stamp on paper. That is the best ink that I know of to stamp, and it stamps fine really well. So now I'm going through the puffy stickers because I realized last layout that I didn't really use them, so I'm trying to use up the embellishments that came with the kit. I could tell that this is the end because I'm just trying to get it done. So I'm using the Studio Calico labels, the print and cut labels that I use with my silhouette. And on this top right photo, I wrote, the elves left gifts. They left us all matching pajamas. I'm using my tiny attacher to staple it to give it some dimension and date stamping that photo. Now this picture on the bottom is a picture of all of us with our matching jammies. And I realize I need to title my title card. So I'm using the Felicity Jane Black Essentials Puffy stickers, and I'm putting 52 on that left hand 3x4 card. And now I'm looking at it and it's crooked, and I didn't realize that until I edited this video. Now on this card I wrote, it says Christmas wishes on the top, and I wrote, the kids asked Santa for Disneyland passes this year. It's perfect because they have no sports this upcoming season, which is sad now because with this COVID-19, we're staying at home, and so we're unable to use our Disneyland passes. But I did get an email from them that they're extending our passes, so that's nice. Now moving on to the right-hand side of the photo, these are pictures that I didn't include into my December daily, just some photos that I wanted to include. And I'm date stamping those. And for the Make-A-Wish journaling card, I wrote Zach, Adidas clothes, Christian, tech deck or any toys, Uni, tiny magnet balls, and Kaya, all the num-nums. This is what the kids asked for Santa for Christmas. And I just wanted to write that down. Even though they did write their letters to Santa, I have that in their December daily album, but I just wanted to document how simple the needs of the wants of my kids are. So I go ahead and do that, and on this last journaling card I wrote, took my parents to the Apple store to upgrade their phones to the new 11 Pro and 11 Pro Max. They came down to San Diego to do that. We traded in their phones, which was the 6. I only got 60 bucks for them. So I kept one and then traded one in. Now this other picture on the bottom left is a picture of the Kim family getting together. I do journal that in a scrapbook layout, so I don't document much on there, but we're celebrating my dad's birthday, Christmas, and New Year's. So that's why you see my niece and nephew and my sister-in-law in their Korean outfits, the hanbok. So I put some of the puffy stickers on some of the blank spaces in the journaling cards. I just want to use some of them up. They're so pretty. and I hate it when I forget to use embellishments from the kit. So I put some stars and the wreaths into the pictures. On the pictures, excuse me. And there you have it. I'm done with 2019. Thank you for joining me. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you with the 2020 Project Life videos. Thanks for watching.